So the live started. Good, good evening, roommates. As usual, give me 2 minutes. So I hope guys doing well. Like guys were in profits, or I like to know like what you guys doing every day. How you guys were trading every day if you were trading currently, so that I can talk with you guys live and we can share our both of our experience at the end, right? Uh, So yeah, both the YouTube and Twitch stream has been started. So our today topic is not in that playlist like about. I'm not going to teach any kind of like trading or stock markets and their true and their why do you need to choose. But here I chosen to do tools I use daily like charting and or calendars or so many softwares are there. If we dive into deep in the trading or investing or based on the criteria or based on the needs we need, okay, like if we need to use order flow, we can't use freely in the uh, TradingView website, okay, but you can use it on other tools freely. So I could tell you every single thing like how you can use it. Not in this video, it's fully not covered, but the name of the tools will be covered, basic name of the tools. So you may compare with other traders, so you may know uh, how to like from the if you are a beginner you may have no doubt in that you can go with it, because when I used to start forex, everyone told me that it was illegal in India. So they told you have to use specific tools and that has to be legal. So many stuffs were there. So I was panicked and not did like I almost not used that 6 months. So I don't want to waste upcoming new peoples or any beginners don't want to waste their time. They just come in, and for the tools explanation I will give some another playlist that will be might be per video per week, okay. So you can learn from it. If you want something or some specific tool to be explained or in practical way, just comment or ask me in the chat, okay. Okay, as usual, before getting into the topic, today's topic, as I said, I'm gonna give base tools. Like I'll show the tools and what and why you can use it. That's all. Okay. And tomorrow I will tell you at the end. So today, as usual, to the results about our trading results today in a common group. Okay, so you guys seen. I was planning to. It's visible, right? Okay, so I was planning to give more than one signal per day, but yeah, I have to be like if I give more than one signal per day, so that signals has to be in profits or has to hit the profit. Because why? Because so I think my channel or someone who wants to join in the Telegram channel, so they can we think it's valuable or not. So in the end of the week, I will post the results, which is of course it will be green. I guess so because continuously uh, every a row 3 days a row was green, right? The second day were it SL, but we given a recovery trade which is past 10 pips again in profit. Okay, so let's see for next 2 days. If it goes well, if I get some like more confirmation trade in next weeks or upcoming days, I will give more than more than one trade, like more than one signal, two signal, three is like maybe in a week, maybe you will get three signals in any day if there was so many opportunities where because I'm giving this to so that people's value the my skill and also my that our community going to create so they can join in and they can explore here whatever the stuffs we going to. So here you can see the GPP JPY in a buy. It's uh, it's not that it's not that tricky or any technical analysis that I used. It's just simple breakout in the resistance. Okay, so you can see it's on the full bullish. Okay, so it's about to get in this exact you can see 198 198. Okay, so here in this point it gives a small retest which is we used that retest for breaking this high. Okay, in I think it was a new no, it's not new. Okay, so this is how we predicted its breakthrough and go here, and I'm not expected much breakthrough, but I expected like few moves. Okay, so exactly you can see here, right? I hope you can see the exact point. I'll go for 1 minute better. So 5 minutes. So here, thousand. Sorry, 198. Okay, yeah, 198. Here the point it gives a breakup. Like sorry, it gives a retest. It's a small retest. So we grabbed here like I were done somewhere middle I guess so, but our post was in like thousand. Yeah, yeah, thousands. Sorry, I'm saying thousand. Sorry, 197.8. Okay, yeah. See our entry 197.800, and you can confirm that my signal because I won't edit most possible probably I won't edit this signal. And sometimes like in any cases like I will edit for any information that I need to add more something like that. Most probably I won't edit in the entry or any buy sell signal because they thought I was like I may fooling them by editing. So you can see this is not preventable by group admin. It's common. So yeah, I won't edit it. Instantly the trade was active. Exactly, I told if you were buy to my signal within 2 to 3 minutes. About it was fully bullish. So we were ended the trade about like 20 pips, I guess. So right, yeah, 20 pips here around here, and it was given another retest, and it reached new high, which is about 198,500. That is the actual TP1. Here you can see 198,700, about just 200 points it will win. Okay, so if you were holded, you can go there, but we ended our trade here. Sure. Yeah. So today trade was that's all. And before the tools, so if you guys were like you watching this, um, sorry, I was forgot to tell this before. If you were watching, were new, just keep it for 10 minutes so that you can directly go to the tools and things. Okay. Here, this is a link tree I just created for my social, sorry, so for my to share the all kind of social links in at a time. Okay, or something like link in bios of Instagram. So YouTube is there if you are watching YouTube. Telegram, as I told, this is our group, and you can get the Twitch if you guys were familiar with Twitch. Okay, so you can see the live streams on the Twitch also. Instagram, so I'll just move there. So here I'm not logged in. It was another. Okay, I'll go like Instagram. I'll just show this. So this is my official Instagram page. Okay, so if you want, you can follow, or another Instagram page for updates also is there. You can follow. So this one is for our community. For like in this X, we will post just created. We will post the analysis, which is for swing or long term. So you may not get every like you may not get every signals or things in here only on link, sorry, Telegram. Okay, so in the X and you can see threads here, both you will get the this. I created this for to gain some audiences and uh, show uh, like publish my popularity and my accuracy through social medias. Okay, so here I will just post the what I say, yeah, analysis. What are the analysis that I'm doing? What are the expectations and predictions will be there? So if you want, you can follow it if you were a regular user. Okay, or else just leave. Uh, Telegram and YouTube is enough. Okay, yeah. So what else? I think I've covered pretty much everything, and I was planning to build a website so that maybe in future, not exactly now, so that people can I will give some features in there. So once I done, I will let you know guys in YouTube as in a short span of time. Okay, yeah, now it's about 15 minutes. Let's close this and getting to the topic. I'll just give you here so tools I use daily: charting, journaling, and calendars, right? So we'll start with where exactly. Okay. So here you guys. So, yeah, okay. Basically, I'll go with three. This is my not exactly. This is what I use. Okay. So it's totally in basic. I have to post and publish here also about the analysis and stuffs. Actually, I don't have much time to do. So maybe in future I will. So why I showing this trading view? This video is for totally beginners. If you want to know what the tools I'm going like I'm using, so you can be here. Okay. So this trading view, it's for chart and indicators and like Pine script. If you know Pine script, I'll show just basic. This is the chart. You can change it here, and every tools I will explain clearly on separate playlist. Okay. So this was okay. Here you can see your indicators. So we can grab some indicators. So personally, I have done some not fully by my own, but I have referred and go through some best Pine scripts. Okay. So if you go for yeah this one, so you can see that this is how it looks. Okay. I'll go north, and this is session breakout, that blue line. So don't think something like that. Okay. So you can see here there is a entry which we entered. So on this trade, yeah, if we go for 15 minutes, we will get the recent trade. Okay. Okay, got it. Here you can see here where the trade was started from using this indicator. So these are so effective indicators that I'm using, and also personally I saw so many EAs and saw so many stuffs and sources. Okay. So using those things you can be profitable in no time. All you need is capital. Okay. So yeah, so these indicators and some mainly some stuffs are there. So we can use those things on trading view. It's free only, but you can't use at single time so many indicators, just tools max. So this was pretty good, but yeah, one second, this was okay. So if you were Indian, like you if you were trade in Indian markets, you can use it trading view. Okay. If you were trading in cryptos, you can use this thing. So everywhere is available. But if you were wanted order flow or specific any specific kind like screeners, you want to know fundamental details, tools. So those are you can't be get here free. And if you want to set alerts for your trade while it touches on that particular limit or somewhere, if you want to get alert in trading view, it's premium only available. Okay. So this is trading view for common, for all you can use it. And And then um, yeah, I will note it here, so like I will forget so easily what I want to say. So for crypto and charts, if you want to try any other software than this exact trading view, go for Go Charting and try by your. uh, so these are not any kind of like, I don't use Go Charting that much, but I've used long time ago. But if you want order flow tools for free, you can use what is that? Yeah, Fast. So this one was new and I tried it. It was pretty good. Okay, so you can see the market. It may take time to load. Oh, okay. So here we go. You can see this is the order flow tools. So I will give some practical session on this exact strategy. So this is like, it's not for beginners for sure. So here you can see so many stuffs, news and calendar means nothing but you just saw the uh, if the news is going to be uh, let's say bad news or good news or something like that. That's all. So you can see here so many newses are there. Based on the news, you can avoid, like if the news is so much impact, you can avoid the trade. So you may avoid the losses. And here you can see chat rooms. You can chat with lot of peoples. So like they are community that where experienced community and experienced peoples also will be there. You can make friends. Yeah, so much are there. Okay, this is charting tools. Just we saw three, and the two were pretty good. Yeah, and these both were useful for Indian stocks, forex, like international stocks like US stocks or crypto. You can use it this for everything is same only. Okay, and yeah, journal. If you were uh, beginner, like if you want to journal, if you don't have the habit, like please make sure to journaling your trades and know what you're doing, and you have to be like, anyway you have the trade log histories for you, like in the, if you use MT5 or MT4. But even though you have to journal separately, that you can come again, like every week what happened, why happened, like it's an emotion or a bad strategy or SL hit or so many stuffs. Okay, so for those I use Notion. Okay, Notion. Yeah. So this one was very good one. Okay, so so many people don't know about this, but this guy was something else. You can do anything literally. This exact Notion. Yeah. So here you can see uh, here, what is this? Yeah, let's, These are so much old. This is not my exact Notion that I use. I'm using on another personal Gmail. Okay. So here I'm just showing you can create so many things like tables and templates. So much out there. Only if you guys want to know exactly how to do stuffs like journaling and trade logs in Notion, you have to be comment on this video below so that only I can do it, or this video may come but it takes time. Okay, so here you can, for example, yeah, I have to show. See, just simple, a table is there. If you want to add something here, you have to separate this table. Don't use actually I don't use this kind of tables. I use some templates which is like for tracking the softwares or tracking the trade logs. Those kind of templates are there, but you have to edit little bit. Okay, right. Okay, stable is not good. Let's go. Yeah. See, any template. I think, yeah. Sorry. Yeah, here you can see there are so many templates over here, right? You can see here weekly, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If you go in there, you can see the demo how it's will be and what are the people reviews and ratings. That's not need for you mostly. Just go for the preview and you can see this is how the page will looks like, and you just have to add it and use it. So just that's simple. That's simple. You can just give some. Sorry, I can't edit here. It's a preview. Okay, so you can edit there and watch it every week or month. So, so Notion is so much good, right? If you want to do rather than Notion, Google Sheet was okay, but only for trading logs. Super wish it was okay. Google Sheets, okay. I hope you guys know Google Sheets, so I'm just skipping off. Let's go to the another one. What else tools we need to know? Yeah, got it. So MetaTrader 5.4, just 4 and 5. Okay, these are the uh, brokers which is like specifically for forex and crypto. Okay, here you can place trades by connecting with other prop firms or another any specific brokers. Okay, so this one it's on both mobile and laptop. I will show in PC how that looks like. So, yeah, this is MetaTrader 5. Both is similar only, but there is few things were changed from 4 to 5, which is like update. And what are those updates and what exactly differs from MT5? Why it's not okay. This is also same one, but it's actually IC Markets MetaTrader. This was the same software. Everything was same. but it's specifically I downloaded for use two softwares at the same time. Okay, so you guys see this. This is like it's not like trading views and stuff. Here it is totally free, and you can see here these are the bots and EAs I'm talking. There are so many I have like, and uh, in the original this one also. For now it's enough. That one is enough, right? Yeah. So yeah, there are so many things. I'm just confused what to explain. Okay, so you can see here simply this is how, for example, I'll go with new and dragging this. I rolled. Yeah, no, this is not how it comes. Now new, I need a new chart. Yeah, it's not coming. Okay, I don't know why it's not. Okay, let me try now. Okay, this is how that. Okay, so this is how the basic and common chart will look like. It is just the grid I removed. You can see here. If you remove it, looks like this. And there are so many stuffs, which is here. You can see the trades and uh, histories and yeah, histories and news is nothing. If you were enabled, users will be here, and mailboxes, calendar. Yeah, these are the stuffs you can see. And here, if you guys were entering into the EAs, okay, and trading bots and stuffs, you maybe have to learn these stuffs, and I will explain those stuffs only if you guys were interested, or it may comes on future, because these are like not for beginners, I would say. And if you don't know about this but you were trading, okay, sorry, my face were, my face is needed, no need, right? Okay, it was okay. I hope my phone it will be visible. Yeah, where I left. Okay, here you can see these are the stuffs not for beginners. So I will let you know in the future how to, and we also provide free EAs like algo bots which trade itself, but it has some riskies and some drawbacks also. And everything I will cover in this YouTube channel. Make sure subscribe the YouTube channel and follow it, so you can achieve so much potential from this stage. Okay, so these all stuffs, if I explain it takes too many times, so I just showed the software so you may know, and we will look every single software clearly for tradings and personal stuffs. Sorry, like deep explanations will be on another videos. Okay, I will close it. Yeah, what else? So Meta Trader 4 also same thing, same stuffs. And the next one which I need to cover, journaling tools were covered, Notion and Google Sheets. And yeah, if you are want to invest, like bro, I don't want to become a trader because it's too risky, but I want to do investing stuffs so I could earn gradually. But for sure, if you are interested, you can go for any US markets or Indian markets. It's okay. But all you need to know is when to enter and when to exit. That's all. Okay. So you have to buy the dip, and I will give stocks and those suggestions also. Currently, I was focused on forex, but I do investings and investing in crypto and stocks also in my list, but I'm not shown in exact telegram. But maybe in future I will uh, tell you guys my portfolios and stocks. Okay, so for that, uh, give me a minute. So I'm back, and where we left, um, yeah. So the Indian market. In Indian market, you can use kite or in in the money. Those both are okay. Some people use grow. It was okay. Like Indian market, that there is nothing like so much different. You can use this one as, and this one also okay. But you can invest in US stocks better than kite, if I would say. But if you were uh, looking for avoid so much uh, what is the charges, go for kite. Not that much different, but it's user friendly. It's good. Okay, so there is no time to explore everything. I shown the website, so you can go and check it. Okay, for investings, this is how. And yeah, so at least I was done. So this is how in mobile it was so cool. You can buy, sell, hold. That's all. You can do options too. Okay, options trading. I have done options trading. I made profits and losses, both big profits and big losses also. So why I choose forex, that will be maybe another video. Okay, so let's go. Thing was almost done. Yeah. So this was Indian market. Okay. So personally, if you guys want to know something like bonds, where to invest in bonds or where to invest in gold, give me in chat so I could prepare for that videos. I do have some tools that I can show you, but it goes on. Okay, so actually there are so many tools I even avoided to show it, because these are the basic very basic tools, and not tools like, it's the softwares that we use in sites. Okay, and for crypto, before that, for calendar and uses, I use exactly forex factory. Sorry, factory forex, no, forex factory. Exactly this. I use this exact website for uh, to know the news and to know which is moderate or the red. You can see CPI news. So those news you have to be careful at that time. Okay, that's all. And users, and you can see some sources also if you go searching there. I will let you know this is big. Like you can see the forex factory, the name itself. You can. get so many sources here. Okay, one of the good site. And yeah, what else we have to see? Almost covered, but not covered crypto, right? Why I'm not covered crypto? Because crypto is not illegal. Okay, uh, so many people are thinking crypto in India it's illegal. I have earned profits from crypto investments too, so it's not legal. You just have to know what process, like how the way you have to get the withdrawals or deposit stuffs. Okay, so basically for the investing, I will tell you the exact site you may use. Uh, Binance is a second option. CoinBCX. So for crypto investments, you can use it here, meme coins or Bitcoin or any currencies. Sorry, any coins you can see. Okay. Uh, see. Just I will show you the home page. Okay, here it's legal site. You can invest in like how much money you want, and you can withdraw it once you verified your bank statement and uh, that KYC process. Then you can no, before itself, if you verified KYC process, then you can deposit and withdraw instantly. Okay, so no need of fears like blocking so many stuffs you may hear it as a beginner. Here you can't see any uh, fear in it, but charting was here, it's not good. uh, so I would say it may okay for in mobile. Okay, and yeah, that's all. So for crypto exchanges like Trust Wallet, from like so many transaction stuffs are there for investing and how to convert into crypto monies like Bitcoins or Ethereum to Indian rupees. Those stuffs has to be legal. You have to be do it in legally, and there is a way, easy ways. I will these videos will be like so long, took so long because no, I saw no peoples were interested in crypto nowadays, so it may take long. Okay, so this is basically covered the crypto. And how I forgot XMS. And yeah, if you were doing forex, which broker I need to choose, bro? In India, go with XMS. Was good, so good. And so the XMS. So, so here, this is demo account. Okay, not my real account. Even in demo account, I don't use so many capitals because it shows your consistency and still you made your money worth, not in just like you don't feel like it's just a demo money. You have to be do and like trade it like a real money. Okay, I used to do this sometime. Okay, so this is how Xmas looks. It was good. If you use this XNS IDs and password to the MetaTrader, which is MT4 and MT5, you can use it in mobile for trading. that will be better for using algos and some indicators, stuffs like that. Okay, and yeah, this is all I need to cover, and I thought like I was covered everything. It was time, right? So finally, I need to say that maybe after coming days, 26 and 27, I might post the signals because I was busy at my personal work. So the lives will be not available. 27, sorry, 27 might be available. 26 is not available. So yeah, we'll be seeing you on 27 Friday. Okay. So what else? Was covered everything. Did I miss? Okay, covered almost. So guys, I might be boring doing every day the same trading stuffs and explaining those topics, but it's gonna be worth it, right? And make sure you guys, if you were watching or if you were interested in trading, uh, just let me know what you guys think you want to know and what are the doubts you were in. So I could do those kind of videos for you. It might worthable at least a single viewer, right? So yeah, just comment whatever that you think and make sure subscribe so we can meet again. Yeah, let's end this meet. Peace. See you.